Hello and welcome to our day number 26 of our letters challenge for February 2019. Today we are lettering just letter it. Enjoy the process. For the materials I will be trying for the first time masking ink. This is very nice because it had a very nice effect. I am using also a brush cleaner. This is very important, and a liquid watercolor in color pink. My brushes is number 10 and the aqua brush. I have also the white gel pen to make some highlights. We are gonna need watercolor paper. This is 300 grams, and this is the idea I have for the layout. Let's see how it turns. Enjoy the process. I forgot to say I have a silicone pencil, and this is so nice to get the masking ink out of the paper without damaging it. It's very nice, but you can also do it with your hands or with an eraser or whatever you have at home. And now it's done. This is very easy to do. I just tried to do something simple. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for being here and have a great day. Bye!